Hey everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. So I have a different type of video for you guys today. I have partnered with FabFitFun to do an unboxing of one of their newly released Spring Editors boxes. I am so excited to share what I got with you guys. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, they are a seasonal subscription box that comes 4 times per year. So you get one for winter, spring, summer, and fall. You get full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products. And each box is $49.99, but you get a value of over $200 in each box for each season. So you can customize some of the items that you want in your box, and it's a great way to discover new brands and try out different products. Some of the items in this Spring Editors box that I'm going to share with you guys are from female-founded companies, which is just so empowering. So FabFitFun is just a great product and so much fun to get every season. It's like Christmas time when you get your box and you open everything up and find out what you get. So if you guys want to check out FabFitFun and get 40% off your first box, you can use my code MEASUREMIX, and I will leave that down below in the description box. Now I'm so excited. Let me share what I got with you guys. Alright, so here is the FabFitFun Spring Editors box. It comes in this really pretty, brightly colored floral box, and then you open it up, and it's just as pretty on the inside as it is on the outside. And then you have all of your stuff down here at the bottom. They give you a FabFitFun magazine, so it has just some tips and some information about the products. You get a gift card that you can give to somebody for $10 off their first box. You get a HelloFresh gift card for $50 as well. And then you also get a little note from FabFitFun that tells you what is inside your box and gives you kind of a little description about everything. And then here's what everything looks like. So it has a nice little tissue paper and a little sticker here that says FabFitFun here. And I'm just gonna open it up. All right, the first thing that I got was this private party oversized beach please towel. It is yellow, pink, and white, so it's really pretty colors and bright for spring and summer. It is made out of 100% poly microfiber, so it should help with the sand sticking to you and keep that off of your body while you're at the beach. I think this is going to come in handy when I go on vacation. It has a $50 value on this beach towel, so it's definitely really nice. It's really soft and it's really big, so it's going to come in handy, like I said, for vacation time. The next thing that I got was this Ish I'm Smoking Hot palette. It says that it takes you from day to night, and it has 10 shades. It looks like this, and it has mattes and shimmers in it. So it has some really pretty colors in there. I don't wear a lot of eye makeup, but when I do go out or I have like a function or event, I do like to do my eyes up. So I think this will definitely get some use out of it. It has a $32 value on this, so not bad. The next product I got was the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. And it has peptides and retinol in it, so it's supposed to help reduce lines and wrinkles and increase elasticity underneath your eyes. So I definitely am excited to try this. I am getting older. I'm going to be 35 this year, and you can definitely start seeing the lines and wrinkles in my eyes. So I can't wait to try this cream out. I've heard it's a great brand. It has an $82 value, so it is not cheap. So yeah, I definitely can't wait to try this out. This next item is the Tarte Skincare Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. It's hypoallergenic and it's vegan. So I have never tried out any Tarte skincare products. I've heard that they are great. So I'm really excited to try this out. That's why I love FabFitFun, because you can get this full-size jar of cream and try it out and test new brands and things that you have heard of but you just have never had a chance to try. So this is going to be great. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. It comes in this cute little jar that looks like the box. And I'm gonna open it here. Ooh. It smells really good. It looks like this. It's not like a cream, I guess. It's more like, it's clear. It looks kind of like petroleum jelly, but it's not as thick. Like I said, it smells really good. It's kind of got like a citrusy smell to it. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and test it out on my hands. And this is going to be great because winter just ended and my skin is so dry. It's in need of some hydration. And this is really soft. I am loving this. And the smell is good. This is definitely going to help with my dry skin. So this has a $39 value. So this is a great deal. This next item is the Ahava Leave On Dead Sea Mud. It's Derman Intensive Foot Cream, and I am super excited about this. It's supposed to be for dry and sensitive skin relief. My feet, after the winter, definitely need some healing before the flip-flops make an appearance. So between this and the cream that I just got, hopefully my skin will be feeling good and my feet will be feeling good with this as well. This has a value of $29. So like I said, I am super excited to use this. This next item I got was the Summer in Rose ceramic trinket tray. It's really pretty. It has really nice gold detailing on it, and then the triangles are just a really pretty light pink color, and then a few of the triangles have a darker pink color to them. So this is really nice, something you can display in your bedroom or in your bathroom and use to hold your earrings or rings, things like that. This has a $22 value. So I'm really excited to use it in my bedroom just to hold my small jewelry pieces. So I think it's going to look really pretty. This item that I got is the Levite Aromatic Body Lotion. It's dermatologically tested for all skin types. It is the Mandarin Orange and Bergamot scent. So let's open it up and see what it smells like. Ooh. It definitely smells like oranges. I really like it. It doesn't have too strong of a scent, but it's enough that I think it wouldn't bother anybody. And it's really soft. It feels very creamy. So this is really nice. I really like this. All these lotions and all of this stuff for my dry skin is really going to come in handy for me to get ready for spring and summer. This lotion has a value of $19. The last thing that I got in my box was this strengthening nail and cuticle serum. And again, with all of these creams and lotions and then this serum, it's all going to help me after this cold, harsh winter that we had. So this is going to be really nice to help get my nails strengthened and my cuticles. They're going to help hydrate those. It has vitamin E in it, as well as argan oil, and then also meadow foam. So I'm not sure exactly what that is, but it definitely will help to protect losing moisture around my cuticles. So I'm really excited to use this. You just do 1 to 2 drops on your nails and cuticles daily and reapply as needed. So this should be really nice. And the value for this serum is $24. Alright guys, that is it for this unboxing of the Spring Editors box from FabFitFun. Thank you so much to them for sending me this box. I had so much fun opening everything and finding new products and new things that I wanted to try out. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. And when you sign up for FabFitFun, don't forget to use that code Measuremix to get 40% off your first box. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.